Okay, welcome to Lesson Launchpad. Lesson Launchpad is a lesson presentation and automation tool for teachers. So what you see here, this is what we call the present screen. The present screen is what you would have for each of your classes. So each class would have its own present screen. This is just a little sample kind of welcome to Lesson Launchpad class here. Um, and you'll see up at the top we have some scrolling announcements. We have a clock. We have two content boxes. Down at the bottom, this is where you can kind of control the screen and add more content to the screen. So for example, each box has a little tab down here. Now you'll see that two of them are the bluish color and two of them are white. And that's because these two boxes are toggled off for now. So for example, if I want this welcome content box to go away, I can click in the center of it and now it's gone. And now we just have this demo box showing. If I want it to come back, I can click back in the center of it and it'll toggle back on. These arrows, if I want to change the position of the content boxes, I can click the arrow and so now they'll swap positions. Right here is the launch button. This is where you can add different types of boxes. You can open up tools and widgets. You can change the background of your present screen and view storage, which is where all of your content boxes live when they're not being used. Some other things here on the screen over on the left is our navigation for the rest of Lesson Launchpad. So you'll see here we've got a little drop down. Right now we only have one class, which is this sample class that I'm currently showing. Here is the Add Edit screen. And the Add Edit screen is just where you can add your classes, countdown timers, reminders, and auto happy birthday if you want to use that. And we'll go over all of those later in this video. Here is just a full screen button. I'm not going to click it right now because it'll go off of the screen that I'm currently recording from. But if you want Lesson Launchpad to take up your whole screen, you can click that button and it'll go to full screen. We also have a print button here, and this is where you can easily make lesson plans from your lesson content. So you'll see this should look familiar. Here were my announcements that were scrolling at the top of the screen. And if you scroll down, you see you've got notes and stuff. We also have settings, and on the settings, you've got more things than just settings. You've also got this contact lesson launchpad and a change log that shows the different changes and stuff that I've kind of made as we've progressed here. You also have an FAQ where you can get some frequently asked questions answered, and then you have a logout button. So that is kind of the layout of Lesson Launchpad.